Today's practice will consist of a simple affirmation. I walk my own path. Take a moment to quiet yourself within, and then say to yourself, I walk my own path. I walk my own path. I don't walk anyone else's path. It is better that I walk my own path imperfectly than somebody else's path perfectly. I walk my own path. I am unique. My path is unique. And I do not allow anyone to impose upon me their stipulations, their path, their suggestions of where I should go and how fast I should travel. I walk my own path and I take my time. I decide when to take a step. I decide when I am ready to move forward in every situation and in every moment. I walk my own path, and it is powerful and it is beautiful in and of itself. I walk my own path. Practice and enjoy.